Hello students, now we will see the sample programs for the scanner class. So the first program is to write a program to input two numbers. Okay, we are going to get input as two numbers and we are going to swap the two numbers. See, for example, a is equal to 95 and b is equal to 45. So we are swapping means we are going to interchange it. After interchanging it, we have to display it like this. Okay, so then a value will become a will take the b's value and b will take the a's value. That is called the interchanging or the swapping. Okay, swapping means nothing, it is the interchanging. So to use the scanner class, we need to import this java.util. Okay, either it can be a star or you can also take the scanner here also. So first thing, to use the scanner classes, we have to import this java.util, then public class swap. Class swap is your class name, then is your void main function, and in void main function you are going to declare, the first thing is you have to declare the scanner class, because through scanner class only you are going to take the input. So you are going to use the scanner class. This is your scanner class name, and in is your object, and the same syntax, new is your operator, that is a keyword to create the object of the class scanner. Okay, and system.in is, I've already said, no, an input stream reader. This is a method to read the input from the file or keyboard. Okay, then int a, b, c is equal to 0. These are the declaration. A and b is the two input values which we are going to get, and c is another variable which is used for swapping. Okay, because if you just give, see for here, for example, a is equal to 95 is there, b is equal to 45 is there. If you just give a is equal to b, then a value will become 45. But what about the 95, that is original value of a? You will lose that value, you cannot get it. If you give b is equal to a first, then you lose the b's value. Okay, you cannot interchange it like that. So we need a temporary variable. Okay, see, suppose you are having something in your two hands, you have something, you are having it in a two hands, you have to interchange it, means any one thing you have to keep it on the table and then take it from the other hand and then only take it from the table, right? Without keeping it on any without keeping the thing on any other table or anything, you cannot just directly interchange the things in your two hands. Like that only this is also. See here, so for that only we are using this another variable c. Okay, so here in a you are getting the input for system.out.println, enter your number, then the number you are going to enter will be got through this n.nextInt method. NextInt means the whatever the data you are reading, it will be converted into integer and stored in the variable a. Okay, this is n. This nextInt is a method of the scanner class. Okay, to read the integer data. This nextInt is a method to read the data from the keyboard, the integer data. Okay, so and in is the object of this scanner class, and through the object only you can read the method from that class. So n.nextInt. Okay, with this object only you can read the data. So n.nextInt will read the data and convert it into the integer and store it in the variable a. Similarly, the next data will be stored in the variable c. So now see here, for swapping, first we are taking the a value and saving it in the third variable c. Okay, so the value of a is been saved here, and now a has taken the value of b, and b has taken the value of a, because in c we have stored the value of a and we are giving the value of a through c to the b. Okay, so we need, that's why we need another variable to save the data with that is change the data without losing the data. Okay, for that is the reason we are using like a temporary variable, that is. Okay, so this is the way we swap the data, and this is the way we use the scanner class also. And see here, system.out.println. Now the value of a will be B's value. See here, 45 and B is equal to 95, and the compilation is the same thing as you compile it. Compile the input stream reader, and in this also you doesn't need to enter the values in your method call. It takes you to the terminal window, that is your output window, and you can enter the input here, and your output will be shown like this here. Okay, now we'll go to the next program. Next program is to input name and basic salary of an employee. Then with that we are going to calculate this DA, HRA, PF, gross and net pay, and for everything they have given the formula here, and according to this we are going to calculate it. Okay, so calculate and display the gross salary and net salary. So input, the first thing is we are going to use the scanner class. So the first thing what we have to do is import java.util.star. Okay, the first thing is we have to import the util. So next is your name for the class. Okay, e salary they have given, then your void main function, and in your void main function you are going to declare the scanner class first. This is your object and this is your keyword to create this object, and system.in is to read the data from the keyboard. Then int basic. So the salary what he is going to enter is your basic. Okay, calculate and display the gross salary and the net salary. We are going to calculate it, and we are going to get the basic salary from the user. So this is for you to get the input. Then as we are calculating this, we will be getting it in the fraction number, that is the point, with the point we will be getting. So we are using the double. So we are declaring other things as whatever we are going to calculate here, we are going to declare it as a double. So first DA, HRA, PF, gross pay and the net pay. Gross pay only they have given GP, net pay as NP. Okay, then is your string name, because they have asked to enter the name of the employee also. So string name, and system.out.println, enter the name of the employee, and you are getting it and saving it in the variable a. And next line is your method of the scanner class to read the string. Okay, next line is a method used to read the string which belongs to the scanner class, and since it belongs to the scanner class, we can use it along with the object created by that class only. So in dot next line, this function will read the data, read the string data and save it in your variable name. And next is the enter the basic salary, and basic salary is an integer. It is going to be in the form of numbers, so we are using the next int method. Okay, as we saw it in the last program, we are going to read the integer number, and it is going to be stored in the variable basic. Then DA, we are going to calculate DA. So DA is your 30% of the basic. So basic is the salary which we got at basic salary into 30 by 100. 30% means what? 30 by 100. You know to calculate the percentage, right? So basic into 30 by 100 gives you the 30% of the basic salary, which is your DA. Then is your HRA. HRA is 12.5% of the basic. So we are calculating basic into 12.5 by 100. So next is your PF. PF is 10% of your basic salary. So basic into 10 by 100. And GP, gross pay, is your basic plus DA plus HRA. Okay, so gross pay formula is the basic salary plus the DA which we calculated and the HRA which we calculated. So altogether addition of this gives you the gross pay, and net pay is after getting all these things we have to minus it from the gross pay, that is PF, they will be taking it off. Okay, so minusing PF from this gross pay, we get the net pay. The net pay means the salary which you get in your hand, that is called your net pay. Okay, then after that we are going to display all the things which we calculated. So system.out.println employee's name plus name. Okay, plus name means what? This is the variable. So in this, the name will be displayed there. So employee's name will be printed and your name will be printed there. Then gross pay rupees plus GP means the gross pay which you are calculating here, that value will be printed here. Similarly for the net pay. See the output here. This is your program. They have typed and it will be executed. After execution, you will be getting the terminal window like this. See, enter the name of the employee. They have given the name here. Then basic salary is 40,000. According to this basic salary, everything will be calculated and now they are displaying it. Employee's name is Amit Kumar. See, the variable we give here and the name stored in that variable will be displayed in your output. Similarly, gross pay is rupees 57,000 and net pay which he get in the hand, net pay is 53,000. Like that it will be calculated and shown like this. Okay, and the next program is rational numbers. We are going to find 3 rational numbers from 2 rational numbers. We are going to get 2 decimal number, that is whole number, as a input, and we are going to find the 3 rational number from that number. The formula we are going to use is m plus n by 2. This is the formula we are going to use to get these numbers. Okay, and first we have to import the java.util. Then after that the class name will be given. Then is your void main function, and inside your void main function the scanner class will be declared. Okay, after this declaration, the input what you are going to take is being given in the integer m comma n. You are going to declare it. After that, double, because it is going to be in the rational number, you have to declare it in the double. Integer means you will be getting only the whole number, so you are declaring it in the double. Okay, a, b and c, 3 rational numbers. Then m is equal to n dot next int. Here we will be asking the user to enter the numbers, and the numbers will be stored in the variable m and n is the object of the scanner class, and next int is the scanner class method. So using this object only we can use this method. So using this object we are using this. Okay, so your n dot next int will read the input from the user and will save it in your m variable. Okay, then for example they have given m value as 7 and n value as 8. Then in a, what we are going to do is we are going to use this formula. So m plus n by 2, that is 7 plus 8 by 2 gives you 7.5. In the output you can see this value 7.5. Okay, then is your b is equal to m plus a. Okay, once we have done the m plus n, so 7 and 8 has been done. So to get the next value, what we are doing is we are first taking this 7 value plus the a value which we obtained. We are going to add that and divide it by 2. Similarly, for the next third value, what we are going to do is we are taking the a value plus the second value 8. So you will be getting this another value. So you got 3 rational numbers. Okay, so this is the formula we are using to get the rational numbers. So scanner, using the scanner class, this is your third program. Then we will see the fourth program. Okay, and in the fourth program also the same procedure will be followed if you keep your book with you. Okay, if you see in the book, you can see that first will be your import java.util, then will be your class name, then will be your void main function, and inside the void main function the first thing what we have to do is declare the scanner class. Okay, the first thing what we are going to do is, see, all the program we are going to follow these things. Okay, these things are common in all the programs. First thing is importing the util class, util package, then your class name, then your void main function, then your scanner class. Okay, scanner class declaration. After that the variables will be declared, and here we are going to take 2 variables as input. Okay, one is in your tens place and one is in your ones place. And here in this program what we are going to do is we are going to take two input in tens place and ones place. We are going to first add that number, that is the digits. We are going to add that digits, and in the next thing is we are going to reverse that thing and add that with the previous one. And after adding these both, we are going to find the difference between the digits and divide it. Okay, wait, I'll explain this. First thing is, as usual, you are going to get it, and this is your scanner class object, and through this you are going to take the integer and place it in the variable a. And similarly, in dot next int, you are going to take the ones place value and you are placing it in the b variable. Okay, so a is your tens place and b is your ones place. So since a is in the tens place, 10 into a, you will get it in the tens place. See here, for example, a value is 6 and b value is 2. So 10 into 6 gives you what? 60. So 60 plus 2 is 62. So like this only we are going to do. So digits are being added here. 60 plus 2 is 62. Then you are reversing the number. To reversing the number, the ones place will be coming in the tens place and tens place number will be coming in the ones place. So 10 into 2 plus, see in b we have the ones place number. Okay, so we are multiplying it with the 10. So 10 into 2 plus 6. Now 6 has become the ones place, so we will be getting 26, and we are going to find the difference between the tens place number and the ones place number. So this is going to be the digits, right? 62 is going to be a 6 and 2 is going to be the digits. So difference of the digits, we are going to add this and find the difference of this and divide it. So see here, 60 plus 2, 20 plus 6 divided by 6 minus 2 is 4. So 62 plus 26 by 4. 88 by 4 is equal to 22. So this is your program 4. Okay, I hope you all understand. If you have any doubt, anytime you can ping me and ask your doubt. So till this, your scanner input method is over. All your input methods are over. Start studying. Please don't leave as it is at the end, then you will be suffering, because I am teaching in the video. I doesn't know how many of you have understood. No one is asking any doubt. I doesn't know how far you all are thorough with this subject. If you have any doubt, please ping me.